happening today in Redwood City. New arguments get underway as attorneys seek a new trial for convicted killer Scott Peterson. Today in the Bay's Thom Jensen live for us outside of the courthouse. This is where Peterson will appear remotely. And Tom, today during that hearing, they're actually going to be ruling on DNA testing.
Good morning, Marcus. Yeah, late last week, the two sides, attorneys for Peterson and prosecutors, could not agree on which laboratory should be used to test a particular piece of DNA evidence from evidence taken in the 20-year-old case. In 2004, Peterson was convicted of murdering his wife, Lacey, who was pregnant at the time, and the couple's unborn son after their remains were discovered in the San Francisco Bay, and he was sentenced to death. His death sentence was overturned 4 years ago, and he's serving a life sentence at Mule Creek State Prison. Late last week, both sides had their own preferred lab to handle the DNA testing for a piece of duct tape that was found on Lacey Peterson's pants. The judge suggested a third independent lab and asked the lawyers to review the facility's credentials, and she'll decide where the testing should be done today. A Bay Area legal expert told us the duct tape DNA evidence could be crucial to Peterson's defense 2 decades after his conviction.
You have to remember there's 20 years now of database that if they can get a DNA positive hit on that duct tape, they can now run that through a system, and that could point to someone other than Scott Peterson.
The defense will present more key motions on witness statements, post-conviction discovery, and recordings that were not included in the original trial. So it's a lot for the judge to consider over the next 2 days here at the San Mateo County Courthouse. We're live in Redwood City. Thom Jensen, Today in the Bay.